Today I'll be talking about how you can treat your cough within few hours. So you'll be needing four things basically. You'll be needing honey, ginger, garlic, and onion. Three of these things, in fact, the four of these things are natural antibiotics. They are natural antibiotics. They are soothing to the throat. They help any kind of things around your sinuses. So how do you make use of this? In a bowl, take a full tablespoon of honey, grate your onion, grate your garlic, grate your ginger into the honey and make it like a syrup. So how many ginger, how many garlic, how many onions will you be using? You'll be needing one middle size ginger, you'll be needing four garlics, then you'll be needing one small size onion. Then after you grate these three things, you grate them into your onion, then you mix it together with a spoon. So when you mix it together, let it sit for 10 minutes thereabouts. Then now take it. So you can take this in the morning, you can take it in the afternoon, you can take it in the evening. But mind you, once you start taking this in the morning, you will feel so much relief. So the more you take it, the more relief you get. So for example, if you take it in the morning, even if you have a dry cough, like if your throat is that irritated, if you have a dry cough, a chronic cough, I'm telling you, this recipe work wonders. So when you take it in the morning, the first dosage, you'd have felt relieved. I mean, so much relief. Then you take it in the afternoon, also you take it in the evening. This method is very, very effective. By the time it will get to the evening time, you'd have felt so relieved. So do try this method at home. Tell your friends about it. Let your family try this, and let us know how it worked for you, how many hours it took you, how you used yours. You can definitely comment on the video. Thank you so much, and see you.